If you build business solutions on SharePoint or Microsoft 365, you probably know this feeling. You have great forms in place. Now you need smart workflows behind them to automate manual tasks. Traditionally, you would need a lot of complex custom code or use additional tools to build those workflows. With a bunch of processes, you quickly lose your overview. What if you could build those actions and automations right where you designed your SharePoint forms? One tool for it all. Let's jump in. Think about the repetitive work in your everyday work life. Approvals, notifications via mail or Teams, updating lists and documents. Most of these actions still happen manually. With a skybow action builder, you design a sequence of actions once and let it run for you automatically. Add a new list item, generate a document, send an email, update permissions, all in one automated workflow. Every action you can imagine is ready to drag and drop into your automated process. Just fill in the blanks of the template and you're ready to go. A whole process configured in minutes without deep coding skills. You configured what should happen in your workflow, but there's one thing missing. You need to decide when the workflow should start. The skybow Action Builder gives you full flexibility. Trigger workflows on button click on a form or as list actions. Run scheduled background logic, for example, every evening or by the end of a month. Start actions whenever finish, when a field value changed, when a new item was added to a list or library, or an item was deleted. Your automations run exactly when they're needed. That was all very easy. Even though this is often enough for digitizing everyday processes, things can become much more complex. In classic tools, such complex processes quickly become a jungle of flows and custom scripts. With a skybow Action Builder, powerful logic is part of the core. You can set up complex automations without deep coding knowledge, for example, different paths for different users, special rules for departments, loops, calculations, exceptions. All of this is possible with a low-code editor, even by citizen developers or power users. You can add conditions, use loops, or store values in variables. You keep full control over complex business processes. Your business doesn't live in just one app. You work in SharePoint lists and libraries. You collaborate in Microsoft Teams and Outlook. You plan in Planner. You document in OneNote, Word, or as PDF. Automating across all of these often means switching tools and managing a lot of connectors. With the skybow Action Builder, your workflows manage the whole Microsoft 365 suite for your users from one central place. Create teams and channels. Post messages in Teams channels or send personal one-on-one messages. Send emails or create meetings in Outlook. Create tasks in Microsoft Planner. Generate and move documents in SharePoint automatically. With skybow automation actions, your entire M365 environment becomes one smart and automated experience. Now we have everything we need for smart automations. Let's put it all together. A request is created in a SharePoint list. The skybow Action Builder runs a background workflow, creates a team, a planner plan with needed tasks. Word documents are created. It sends notifications via Teams and Outlook to the people in charge. Conditions handle exceptions. Loops process multiple items. Variables keep data consistent. Everything managed from one central place. Fast, transparent, reliable. This is what SharePoint automation is supposed to feel like. You're ready to move beyond fragmented flows and a large bundle of tools. You want to start building powerful SharePoint automations fast and easy, then the skybow Action Builder is the perfect tool for you. Start building and turn SharePoint into a powerful business platform. Book your free demo now.